Today's video, I'm going to provide you with the exact step-by-step process on how to create the perfect 30-second elevator pitch so you can build a connection with someone and explain why you are the perfect person for them to hire. Great, let's jump right in. What is an elevator pitch? Simple. An elevator pitch is a quick summary of yourself. This summary includes a bit about your education, work experience, key skills, and qualifications. It's called an elevator pitch because the conversation or introduction is between 30 to 60 seconds. This is roughly the amount of time it takes to ride the elevator. So, remember, an elevator pitch is about you. For example, who you are, what you do, what you are doing, or what you want to do if you're searching for a job. Why is having an elevator pitch so important? Number one, it's a fast and effective way to sell yourself to anyone. Think about it. You have prepared exactly what you're going to say, so you will be clearly focused on your key skills, previous work experience, achievements, and qualifications. You will be able to provide all this information within 30 to 60 seconds, so it's an effective way to demonstrate your potential. Number two, an elevator pitch can be used to answer the following interview question. Tell me about yourself. Number two, an elevator pitch can be used to answer the interview question, tell me about yourself. Even though it's recommended that your answer to this interview question should be longer and a bit more detailed, you can use an elevator pitch if you don't have a lot of previous work experience to include in your answer. Number three, an elevator pitch can be used in various different settings. It can be used to introduce yourself at networking events, professional association programs, and mixers. For example, if anyone asks your name or what you do, you can give them your elevator pitch. Great, let's move on. So what should you say in your elevator pitch? Well, number one, you start by introducing yourself. Start with your full name and say the following. Number one, hi, my name is, then you state your name. It's very nice to meet you. Number two, hi, my name is, then state your name. It's a pleasure meeting you. Number three, hi, my name is, then state your name. How are you doing? At this point, you will wait for a response, then say, it's a pleasure meeting you. Or finally, number four, hi, my name is, then state your name. I hope you are having a wonderful day. The next step is to include a summary of your background. First, remember an ideal elevator pitch is between 30 to 60 seconds, so your summary should be brief. Focus on including your most relevant information. For example, your education and work experience, and you can also include any key strengths you think will be important in your pitch. I recommend writing down everything about your educational background, work experience, key skills, achievements, etc. Then one by one, eliminate anything that's not necessary and doesn't help add value to who you are and what you can do. Here's an example using someone with a marketing background. Hi, my name is, then state your name. It's a pleasure meeting you. I am a marketing professional with a passion for driving business growth. I specialize in creating data-driven marketing strategies that deliver tangible results. With a deep understanding of consumer behavior and market trends, I help businesses reach their target audience effectively and increase their brand visibility. Next comes what makes you special or unique. Ask yourself, what can you do for them? Or, how can you help solve a problem? A simple way to do this is by mentioning your greatest achievement or any major contributions you've made in your previous job roles. In other words, what are some problems you have solved or any results you have achieved? Here's an example. We will continue adding to our previous sample elevator pitch. My ability to analyze marketing data and identify key insights allows me to optimize campaigns and allocate resources efficiently. By constantly staying up to date with industry best practices and leveraging cutting-edge tools and technologies, I ensure that my clients stay ahead of the competition. By customizing marketing strategies to suit their unique needs and goals, I have consistently achieved significant ROI for my clients. And finally, it's time to include a call to action statement. You see, the goal of your elevator pitch is for the other person to take some type of action. The action does not mean an interview on the spot, but a way for you to continue this conversation, hopefully leading to an interview, a job offer, or a sale if it's a product or service later on. The call to action can be getting the other person's business card, phone number, meeting, or as simple as a request to connect on LinkedIn. Let's see this in action. We'll continue by adding to our previous sample elevator pitch. Is your company looking for a more customized approach to digital marketing? I would love to go over some of the results I've achieved for my clients and how I can help your business achieve the same. Do you have a business card so we can schedule a meeting to discuss some of the possibilities together? Now, what are some common mistakes to avoid in your elevator pitch? Number 1, people forget the 30 to 60 second rule. Remember, this is an elevator pitch and not meant to be anything else. So, make sure it's between 30 to 60 seconds to ensure you can pitch yourself to someone while on the elevator. Number 2, speak naturally and keep it slow. It's supposed to be a comfortable and fun conversation. Don't make it sound rehearsed. Also, if you speak too quickly, the other person may miss your important points, so keep it slow and focus on the objective, which is to show your value. Practicing your pitch can help you become more comfortable. And number 3, don't add irrelevant information because this defeats the objective of the elevator pitch. Adding information not relevant will force you to go off track and you will lose the attention of the other person. Go back and review your pitch every few weeks to make sure that nothing needs to be changed to better highlight your key skills, experience, and your target audience. Here are 5 high converting elevator pitches you can use as a template to prepare your own. Remember to customize the pitch, adding your own relevant key skills and past job experience to give it more of a genuine and personal touch. Sample number 1, executive assistant. Hi, my name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you. I'm a highly skilled executive assistant specializing in providing top-notch support to busy executives, helping them enhance their productivity and achieve their goals. With over 5 years of experience in the field, I've developed a keen eye for detail, exceptional organizational skills, and the ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. I have experience working for the CEO of a Fortune 500 company, managing their schedule, prioritizing meetings, and ensuring their day ran smoothly. By doing so, I was able to alleviate the executive's administrative burden, allowing them to focus on strategic decision-making. As an executive assistant, I understand the importance of maintaining confidentiality and handling sensitive information with the utmost discretion. I am proficient in different software applications, including Microsoft Office Suite and project management tools, making me adaptable to any environment. Are you looking for an executive assistant who can seamlessly support your busy schedule, anticipate your needs, and enhance your productivity? Can we connect on LinkedIn to discuss how I can contribute to your organization's success? Sample number 2, graphic designer. Hi, my name is John. It's a pleasure meeting you. I'm a passionate graphic designer with over 7 years of experience specializing in creating visually engaging and brand-enhancing designs. My journey in design began with, here you will mention how you got started in this profession, leading me to work with diverse clients ranging from startups to established corporations. What sets me apart is my commitment to understanding each client's unique brand identity and goals, ensuring that every design not only looks great but also effectively communicates their message. I'm adept in a variety of design software like Adobe Creative Suite, and my portfolio showcases a range of work from logo design and branding to digital marketing materials and web design. I thrive on creative challenges and am always looking for opportunities to help businesses stand out with impactful and aesthetically pleasing designs. Whether you need a fresh brand identity or a compelling marketing campaign, I'm here to turn your vision into reality. Do you have a business card so we can connect and discuss how my design expertise can elevate your brand? Sample number 3. Here's an elevator pitch for someone in the customer service profession. Hi, my name is Stacy, and it's very nice to meet you. I specialize in providing exceptional customer service. With over 10 years of experience in the customer service sector, I've developed an understanding of what it takes to meet and exceed customer expectations. My journey began here. You will mention how you got started in this profession, where I learned the importance of active listening and empathy in customer interactions. What sets me apart is my ability to quickly adapt to diverse customer needs and find solutions that not only solve their immediate concerns but also enhance their overall experience with the brand. I'm skilled in using various customer service platforms and CRM software, and I pride myself on maintaining a positive and professional demeanor even in challenging situations. My goal is always to turn every customer interaction into a positive and memorable experience. I believe that great customer service is the cornerstone of any successful business, and I'm passionate about contributing to that success. Whether it's handling inquiries, resolving issues, or providing product information, I'm ready to be the friendly and efficient point of contact your customers deserve. Let's discuss how my customer service skills can support and elevate your team. Sample number 4. Media Planner. Hi, my name is Tom. It's very nice to meet you. I'm an experienced media planner with a strong track record in creating effective advertising strategies across multiple platforms. I excel in identifying the best mix of media channels to deliver impactful messages to target audiences. For instance, I successfully increased a client's web traffic by 35% through a strategic combination of digital, print, and outdoor advertising. I'm keen on using data-driven methods to optimize ad campaigns and improve return on investment. Do you have a business card? I would love to connect with you to discuss how my experience can help develop a media plan that guarantees visibility and customer engagement. And finally, here's sample number 5. General Sales Associate. Hi, my name is Rebecca. It's very nice to meet you. I'm a passionate sales associate with over 5 years of experience in the retail industry. I pride myself in creating a customer-centric shopping environment through strong product knowledge, excellent sales services, and problem-solving skills. I have consistently exceeded sales goals by creating genuine relationships with customers and recommending products that meet their unique needs. For instance, in my previous role at XYZ Company, I led my team to achieve a 20% sales increase in the fourth quarter of 2020 during a challenging retail climate. I'm passionate about connecting with customers on a personal level and helping them find exactly what they're looking for. I'd love to bring my skills and dedication to your team. I would love the opportunity to connect with you to explore how my extensive experience can help your sales team. Do you have a business card, or can I connect with you on LinkedIn? If you want to learn more on how to land jobs and reach your career goals, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell notification button to get new videos every single week. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because that motivates me to keep doing what I do. Stay safe, keep smiling, and good luck.